So this is an XL. Putting on 100 psi pressure washer. It's got a 6 horsepower Briggs & Stratton on there, as you can see. And it's got a vertical pump underneath it, which you can't see from this angle. But yeah, it's right down there. It's a pretty good size one. But what it started doing is when I'm running and I'm using the pressure washer, it acts like it's losing power and like there's a drag on it. So I'm hoping that I can just add some pump protector to it. So I was at Walmart the other day. This is like $5. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it comes with this cap. It's an aerosol. So what I'm supposed to do is just plug it in to screw it into that cap right down there, the one on the right, and then hopefully it'll clean it out. So I'm going to do that and I'll let you know. Let's see here. And that's it. Doesn't take much. Foam's coming out. Let's see how it works. So now it's all warmed up. And it's not making it stall anymore. Also, the pump comes on a lot faster now too. You can keep this on and on and on, and that's what it does.